Hey friends, so here is the modem that I've got from Belong. So I'm going to install it now. I already got a mail from them that we have to install it in the port number 2 of NBN. This is what we get from them. This is the card, Wi-Fi details. It has got the password also, which I can't show you. So it has got Wi-Fi, charger, Ethernet cable 1, Ethernet cable 2, and this is not Ethernet, this is DSL cable. Yeah. So I'm going to fix it in here. So I've already got one of the connections, but I'm not happy with their interruptions. I won't name them, but I had got my own TP-Link router. As per the mail, they say that you can insert the DSL cable in the NBN port 2. So this is the NBN box. Here. So this one. It goes to the WAN port. Yeah. And as recommended by them, I'm going to put it in the port 2. Let me just show you all the stuff out there. This is Universal DSL port 2. I think that's what they call it. Guys, ignore all the other things which are lying here. But yeah, done. So now what I have to do is put this router back and use this one, which is nothing but a charging point. Yep. And then this is on off. I've switched it on. This is a reset point. You have to put a pen or something inside to reset it. I'll switch it on. I'll put it back. This is the NBN box. User guide is inside. So I'm going to plug it now. I already have both the plugs used, one for the previous Wi-Fi, another one is for NBN, but I will arrange something. So this is I have switched it on. Let's see it here. It should work. Status is amber. Lights are blinking. This is the WAN port, which is blinking. Yep, 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz. Now this is blinking. See this light? So syncing is on, status is green, internet is on. I think it should work now. Okay, so let me switch it on. Oh, password. I hope you guys can see now. I'll click on the Wi-Fi. So it says belong AD, which is second one. Shown here, belong AD, blah blah. Connect automatically, connect. Now it is asking for the password. वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करना
just in case वो उठा.
Okay, now it's on. So it says connected. Let me check if, yeah, that's me, that's my website. Yeah, it's running. Thank you everyone for watching.